What's going on, Daytona fans? Today we are going to replacing the cruise control buttons. As you can see, these are the old ones and these are the new ones. They don't even turn on. As you can see, somebody pressed it so hard that they made a hole. Well, looks like I just broke the rest of it. These buttons don't click anymore. They crack, but they don't click. But if you listen to the new ones, they all make that clicking noise. So it's clear that these cruise controls have done their job and they've retired. So our job today is to remove this airbag and get underneath so we can replace these two things. First things first is we're going to have to disconnect the battery and wait about 15 minutes. I'm not looking to have an airbag in the face, all because I'm eager to change out these buttons. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to disconnect the positive terminal using an 8mm socket. So all I have to do is loosen that up. And now that I have, I'm just going to go ahead and wiggle it out and put it off to the side.
3 weeks later.
Hopefully I won't get punched in the face by the airbag, but if I do, I'm sure it's funny to somebody. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this bolt out. It's on both sides, and it's also an 8mm bolt. Once that's done, this airbag should be able to just come right off. All right, the two bolts are out. Now the airbag just comes right out like this. All right, so we're just gonna have to unplug that, so that's not the only thing hanging onto it. I don't want to break anything. All right, so the airbag was being held by this plug. Very easy. Just press down on that tab and pull out. So now we are underneath, so we're gonna have to undo these 4 bolts. Undo these 4 bolts here. And then we're gonna have to pull these pink pins out, and everything should just come out as an assembly, and then I'll be able to put the new one in. All right, so we're almost through here. I thought I was gonna have to take this out, but it turns out that I didn't have to. So all I had to do was peel back to get some slack. As you can see here, it moves. I can't do it with obviously one hand, so I just have to peel back and take this ribbon, bring it over, and it'll come right out. All right, reassembly complete. I couldn't wire it the exact same way as the factory because this ribbon is actually shorter than the factory one. I guess that's what you get with aftermarket stuff. So it should be able to tuck back in here, but since the ribbon is too short, it has to hang a little bit. It's all right though, because as you can see, the steering wheel moves as a unit. So everything here stays completely still as you turn your steering wheel. So now all I have to do is put the airbag back on, connect the battery, and take it for a test drive, see if it works. If it doesn't, this is probably where I'm going to stop the repairs. All right, Daytona fans, let's see if this works. There's no light for it going on, so I'm guessing the light has gone out. But as you can tell, on the left, on the right there, it says speed continue. I think the light comes on for the cruise control, and now I'm doing a steady, what looks to be 62 miles an hour. So the cruise control is fixed. It works now. And all it took was a $20 part from eBay.
Are you listening? Damn.